Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you my first server video, and it's on gmoney server, and I'll have the IP in the description. But this is his aircraft that he made, and I made the bottom part. The reason why it's so laggy is because whenever I record on servers, it runs really slow. Yeah, there I was having problems getting up to the ship. And it actually flies too. But yeah, he used a mod for it, and it's called Aircraft. The chairs on it got rearranged. This is the kitchen. And down here is the cockpit. And that's where he drives the ship. Yeah, I was getting attacked by the bird. And yeah, that's it. This is supposed to be just a passenger deck. And later, it's still under construction, but after this video was over, we made another deck on top of it that had guest rooms. And right there he moved it, or he flew it, but it didn't really look that much like he did because it was messed up.